going to learn about the broad A sound. A has three main sounds. The short sound is A, the long sound is A, and the broad A sound is Ah. Let's practice all three. A, Ah. A, Ah. A, Ah. A, Ah. When a word ends in A, it may have the broad A sound of Ah. However, there aren't very many words that actually use this sound. Here are some of them. Bra, spa, ska. Ska is a type of music. And the exclamation ha. Most of the time, when a word ends in the letter A, it schwas. A schwa is a muffled sound that sounds like a short U at the end of a word. So in all of these words, rather than having a clear ah sound, it's going to sound more like Gala, gala, comma, ninja, panda, ultra, magma, tundra. It's very common for names to end in the letter A and have the schwa sound, like Anna, Donna, Santa, Honda, and Tesla. Here are some more words that end in A that use the schwa sound. AR says R, larva. ER says opera. AU says ah, sauna. PH says f, alpha. OR says or, norma. Here are some words where the first A has the broad A sound and the A at the end schwas. Papa, mama, pasta, salsa, drama. Notice in all of these, the first sound is the clear ah sound, and the one at the end is the sound. In all of these words, the underlined vowel has its long sound, and the A at the end will schwa. Tuna, scuba, zebra, soda, sofa, idea, puma. The broad A sound of ah can also be spelled with the letters AH. However, this is not very common. Ah, blah, aha. This I is going to have its long I sound. Messiah. Here are some important slang words that use the schwad A at the end. This A is going to have the broad A sound. So we have a broad A of ah and a schwad A sound of wanna. Wanna is short for want to. This O is going to schwa as well. So this word is going to be gonna, which means going to. This T will be silent because TCH together says ch, gotcha. Gotcha means got you, like I got you this book, meaning I got you this book or I bought you this book. It also means I understand. If you have an A after a W, as long as there is no R after the A will usually, but not always, have the broad sound. In all of these words, it will have the broad sound of ah. ER says so we have water, want. This L will be silent. Walk. SH says sh, wash, watch, wasp, swan, wand, swap, walt. Rule also applies if you have the letters Q-U-A because it's about the sound of w, not the spelling. Since Q-U says qu, in which case you hear the w sound, the A following it will be broad. So here we have squat and squad. Here are some of the exceptions where the A has the short sound after a W instead of the broad A sound. Wag, wax, swam, quack. If you have W-A-R, this sound is going to be war. So here is the word war. Warp, warn, ward, warm, dwarf, wart. This E is going to be long. Reward. ER says warmer. Y at the end of a long word usually has the long E sound. Warmly.